Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using Godaddy. First, you will need to select a memorable domain name that truly represents your vision. Next, choose a hosting plan that perfectly fits your site's expected traffic and storage requirements. Once those foundational steps are complete, navigate to your Godaddy account dashboard and easily access the intuitive website builder. This platform simplifies the entire process, guiding you through each stage with clear, straightforward options. Now, let's dive into the exciting design phase. Godaddy offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, allowing you to select one that perfectly suits your industry or personal style. After choosing your base, personalize it by adjusting colors, selecting unique fonts, and uploading your own high-quality images. Remember to create crucial pages, such as an About Us section to share your story and a contact page for easy communication with your visitors. With your design in place, it's time to populate your site with compelling content. Upload crisp, high-resolution images and write engaging text that clearly communicates your message. If you plan to sell products, seamlessly integrate Godaddy's e-commerce features, allowing customers to browse and purchase items securely. Don't forget to add links to your social media profiles, fostering a stronger connection with your audience and expanding your online reach. Before making your website live, conduct a thorough review of every page to ensure all information is accurate and links are functional. It is crucial to optimize your site for mobile responsiveness, guaranteeing a seamless experience for visitors on any device, from desktops to smartphones. Once you are completely satisfied, simply click the Publish button. Your new website will then be live and accessible to a global audience, ready to achieve your online goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.